of the first 9 prime numbers. If you want to take a rocket out of here 100 kilometers up, you'll leave the Earth's atmosphere. 100 is awesome, 100 is great.